Oh my god, guys. People have the weirdest habits at home. No, I'm not kidding. Okay, quick recap. First off, I literally just saw someone talk to their plants like they're roommates. You need water, bro, don't die on me. Bro, it's a fern. Then there's the classic walking around in socks, only on certain tiles. Like literally avoiding the carpet or the bathroom floor. One misstep, and it's a tragedy. Yesterday, someone confessed they only eat pizza one slice at a time, with a separate plate for the crust. Bro, how is that a thing? And don't even get me started on rewatching the same Netflix show over and over. One person said, I don't even watch it, I just like the opening theme. Bro, same. The weirdest? People actually have rituals for their snacks. Chips? Must open from the corner. Cereal? Count each piece before pouring milk. I can't. So yeah, talking to plants, tile rituals, pizza hierarchy, Netflix openings, and snack ceremonies. People at home are actually insane.